Hi, my name is Muhammad Amirin bin Abdul and I'm from ECG564B. Today I'm going to talk about spot speed experiment, which is spot speed analysis. Okay, now what is spot speed? Spot speed is a speed of vehicles taken at a specific point along the roadway, and its average speed are considered as time mean speed. Basically, a spot speed study is carried out by recording the speed of the sample vehicles taken at a specific place in order to determine its distribution speed of the vehicle. Okay, now why we need this spot speed study? In Malaysia, overspeeding has been the major cause that contribute to road accident. Hence, speed limit has been implemented to prevent overspeeding of vehicle. Therefore, in order to determine whether the driver or the vehicles are compliant to the speed limit, thus the study has been carried out in order to determine the speed of the vehicles operating on the road. In this study, there are two types of data that we need to obtain. First, by using radar gun, and second, by using stopwatch. By using radar gun, the speed of the vehicles can be obtained directly from the radar gun. Meanwhile, by using stopwatch, the time taken for the vehicles to pass through from one point to the another point in a specific length were taken, and the value were calculated manually by using formula to obtain the speed of the vehicle. In this study, there are several apparatus that we need to conduct the experiment, which is first radar gun, second stopwatch, and the third is distance measuring instrument. In this study, there are two types of procedure that we need to do, which is first by using radar gun and second by using stopwatch. First is the procedure by using radar gun. Necessary preparation are needed to conduct the experiment, such as pen, spot speed study data forms, and clipboards. Make sure the radar speed meters are in good condition, and we need to read instructions and procedure first before using the radar gun. Then we need to obtain backup battery for the radar gun and safety vest. After obtaining the apparatus and equipment needed, then we need to go to the location that are determined before, and then we need to record the speed reading for every third vehicle or every fifth vehicle that pass through the road in 100 meters length with its number plate. The radar meter need to be in the direct line with the traffic, which we need to get close to the roadway as possible. Then the vehicle speed were observed for 1 hour study, and the 100 samples data were recorded. Then 2 observers are needed in this experiment, which is first observer need to be at the starting point and the second observers need to be at the end point, which is the starting point need to give a sign to observer point at the end to record the vehicle's time travel from start to end. And then the plate registration number and the vehicle classification of the selected vehicle were recorded. The speed of the vehicle were determined by using speed formula, where the speed is equals to distance over time. For the data of the spot speed study by using radar gun, we need to have the numbers of the vehicles, the vehicle's plate registration, the speed of the vehicles, and the vehicle classification. The result of spot speed study by using stopwatch is we need to have the numbers of vehicles, the vehicle split numbers, and the vehicle classification. Also the time taken that we need during the experiment. And then we convert the time to the hours, and we can calculate the speed by using the formula distance over time. For the data analysis, by using radar gun or stopwatch method, the data analysis are the same, where we need to find the mean speed of the vehicles, and then the model speed, standard deviation, median speed, and lastly the standard error. And then we need to plot several graphs, which is first frequency histogram, second frequency distribution curve, and the third is cumulative distribution curve. For cumulative distribution curve, we can determine the disturbance speed, which is P15, speed limit, which is P85, and the design speed, which is P98. That's all from me. Thank you.